Dear students, in this video we are going to study about the deserts. The deserts are the regions where there is very less vegetation, very less number of or very less species of animals inhabit in these regions. The deserts are of two types, hot deserts and cold deserts. In the hot deserts, the temperatures are very high during the daytime and they are very cold during night. The Namib Desert, the largest desert in the world, the Sahara Desert, the Atacama Desert, all these are the examples of deserts, hot deserts. The Thar Desert of India is our country's hot desert. In these regions, very less animals live. The human beings live here are some tribes and nomadic people mainly. The deserts, there is scarcity of water. In some depressions, there is underground water comes to the surface of the earth, fills that depression. Oases are formed, that is the source of water in the hot deserts. There are very less number of plants in the deserts. Sparse grass here and there, thorny bushes, many species of cacti are found in the hot deserts. The cactus plants, the stem is green and fleshy, stores a lot of water. The leaves are reduced to spines to reduce the rate of transpiration. The stem do the process of photosynthesis. The desert animals such as the camel eat this cacti. The camels can live without water for many days. So these are the adaptations of plants, and also the animals live in the deserts, hot deserts. There is very little rain. When there is a rain, the widespread roots, deep roots absorb the water and stores in the stem of the desert plants. There are different species of cacti present in the desert. The desert animals, there are camels, lions, longhorns, spiders, ostriches. Especially in the deserts of Australia, marsupials are there like the kangaroos, coyotes, fennec fox, jerboas, sandcats, desert tortoise, desert spiny lizards, desert cottontail, Gila woodpecker, kid fox, rattlesnake, golden eagle, desert bighorn sheep. All these are the animals found in the hot deserts. The second type of deserts, they are the cold deserts. Here also the water is found in the solid form, that is ice. The land surface is covered with ice. These types of deserts found near to polar regions, and we can say that the Arctic and Antarctic regions are the cold deserts. There is very less plants because the plants are unable to absorb water in the liquid form, because the water is present in the solid form. Liquid water is very less. The roots of plants can absorb only liquid water from the soil. That's why here also the vegetation is very less number of plants are present here, and we can say that the trees are totally absent. The cold desert regions, the trekkings, mountaineering, all these are the activities. They attract many tourists from different countries. In India, Ladakh is the cold desert. Dry soil and barren lands are the peculiarity of the cold deserts. There are various tourist centers, hot springs present in Ladakh. The regions near to the Arctic, like the northern parts of Asia, Europe and North America, the regions are treeless. There are only few species of plants present in those regions. Most parts of the year the land is covered with snow, ice. That regions are known as the tundra regions. Many animals are found in the tundra region. A type of deer, the caribou, the snow hares. These are the animals found in the tundra region. In the polar regions, the North Poles, polar bear, the snow foxes, the Arctic foxes, huskies, seals, all these are the animals found in these cold desert regions, or in the especially in the North Polar region. In the mountain regions, cold mountain regions, in the cold desert regions of mountain peaks like the Ladakh in India, it is situated near to Kashmir. The yak is the animal reared by the human beings for various purposes. The yak can carry loads in the mountain regions. They provide milk. Their fur is used for making many articles. The yaks are the important animals used by the human beings in the mountain regions or in the cold deserts found in the top of the mountains. So students, in this video we studied about two types of deserts. They are the cold deserts and hot deserts. Thank you for listening me.